All right, so your next lab is up here. It's called Lab 5, password whatever the heck here. To gain an understanding how to use John the Ripper, if I get to it, I will make a presentation for a Hashcat and put it up there. Just not made yet. It's not required. If you want to play with it, you can. It is quicker, though. What do you think the speed is? 50%? 100%?
Between Hashcat and JTR,
yeah,
it's completely redesigned. It's just normal processing.
So maybe like now it's a Chevy Volt instead of a. What do you drive?
I drive a Challenge.
Okay, let's continue on. Okay, but if I get that done, we'll put that up there. Okay, so PastWD is a file that I have not uploaded yet. I will upload it. So you can download it, but that will be up there tonight. Download it. The list of common passwords you already have. If you don't have it or lost it, go find it or download one. I showed you in the other lab how to download one. Okay, the rules you need. Here they are. Single substitution, that would be like an A with an at. Double substitution would be like an A with an at and an E with a 3. So triple is an A with an at, an E with a 3, and a B with an A. Okay? Now there's a few combinations you could do in there. Now, toggle case, there's a rule to just uppercase to lowercase to uppercase, that kind of stuff. Append, obviously we saw that. We saw prepending as well. We already looked at those, put some at the beginning or the end. Lowercase first, you can actually make a rule that will take the word, lowercase the first character. You can also have it lowercase the last character, or lowercase and make everything else uppercase. So, it's pretty simple. Reverse, it'll take like mom and make it mom. You like that? Totally backwards though. Yes. All right. Capitalized first letter. Easy enough there. Lowercase all vowels. Duplicate. So mom because mom. No. Okay. Reflect. That's kind of like looking in a mirror. Okay. Every one of these is needed, by the way. Pluralize. We saw that. Rotate. We saw that. Keyboard shift. What keyboard shift is, did you ever go to type your password but your fingers were off by 1? That's keyboard shift. Okay, so easy enough there. Purge, that's delete specific characters, isn't it?
Yes.
Kind of like the delete key, but you can actually do more than one. Toggle case, we talked about that already, and then again, delete. You can delete certain things. Okay? Now, the way you can do this is you can literally just take John the Ripper and run it. You should get 25. Shouldn't take that long. I mean, with just a couple minutes, you should get them. And then you could start whipping these out one by one.
Okay, so they're not combined. I'm not going to have to do
oh, yes. I didn't get to that part yet. Thank you for pointing that out. Combination rules are required for some. But it's only like 5?
I kept it low for your sanity.
I think it's only 5, isn't it?
Is 5 of them are combined.
There's 50 words.
I know, but you said 25 we should get right off the bat.
Right.
And then there's only 18 you said we had to do, so 7 more.
Okay, there you go. So it's either 5 or 7. There's not that many.
Definitely 5.
Okay, 5. So there you go. Single letters are only replaced with single letters. I talked about that already. So basically, I'm not going to take 2 V's to replace a W. That kind of stuff. Okay? Now, I could replace a W with an M. It's kind of upside down, but I could do it. That kind of stuff. Okay? Now, what I want you to do is submit the passwords to the usernames. I did not print out the quiz, but it basically says, what is the password for pass 1, pass 2, pass 3, all the way to pass 50. That's all it is.
Okay.
So, I mean, there's really nothing to print out for you guys. It says you receive 2 points for each you break, so you get a total of 100 points.
This is different than last.
It's totally different.
There's no extra.
No extra at this time. Well, no one ever got it. It was, okay, one person got it. And they actually bought it from Roy.
That one person was me.
All right. You only need to submit the answers in the quiz. That's it. There's a few people who keep submitting stuff in the Dropbox, and I said, you only need to do the quizzes. I don't know. I looked, there's more in there now. I don't know what they are. Okay. So, when do they do?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. When's the prior lab due?
Next week.
It's due next week. If you already have it finished and submitted, none of this, oh, I was so close. I was only, no. It was already submitted. You know, it's like, did I change the date on it yet? I don't think I changed the date on it yet. I didn't because I want to make sure who did it. So I'll probably today or tomorrow change the date where it's going to be due. But I need to go in there and delete the other ones first and see who wants to redo them. So if you want to redo the first lab, email me, tell me to delete it, and I'll delete it. Okay. All right. The scope, basically, there's nothing. Just you have all the tools you need, and there's a link to the Wikipedia page. Yeah. Okay. Any questions on this project? If you want to see the quiz, I can show it to you. Let's go to quizzes area. And just so you think I'm lying to you. Oh, I know something's already going to complain about something. Let's see. Here we go. We're going to start the quiz. And hopefully I'm not showing you the answers. That's good. Okay, pass 1 is actually pass 0-1. Can you all figure that much out?
Yeah.
Or should I remove the 0?
I'm suing. Add the 0.
I better remove the 0.
I'm gonna sue.
That Dropbox notification was...
Can't I just give you a damn Excel spreadsheet?
I tried to make them... No! I tried to make them line up is why I added the zeros after I already made the quiz. But y'all can figure that out. So pass 5 is the same as pass 0-5.
I'm still voting for spreadsheet here. I mean,
Pass 10 is not pass 01 with reverse.
I don't know how to understand that.
All right, so those are the questions. They're all the way up to 50. I mean, I didn't print them out because there's nothing to print. It's just put them in. Just make an Excel spreadsheet somewhere. Don't turn it in. Copy it in here.
but I want to Dropbox it.
All right. So, everybody okay with that? Everybody knows what's on the quiz? Easy enough there? Exit preview. Would you like me to click on to show you the answers? No.
Yes.
All right. So, I think that's it for the project. It's due in 2 weeks. So, since it's due in 2 weeks, next week we will not have class. Do not wait until next week to start, even though half of you will. I realize that. I have not. The 50% are going to go pretty quickly, but there's some of them that are going to be because even if you look at some of these, okay, like substitution, even if it's single substitution, there's quite a range what we could do there. Okay, and there's just keyboard shift. You can actually shift quite a bit, so it could take you a while. Don't think he gave me the rules. No, I didn't give you the rules actually. I told you what the rules are, but the usage, like deleting a specific character, it could be the 5th character from the left. It's not necessarily the first or the last. So that's my point is I don't want you to get overconfident and say, dude, he gave me all but 7 of them right there. No, I didn't. I told you what to start with. But toggle case could be, something you're not expecting. Or toggle case only consonants or only vowels or something like that. So work on them. Once you get them, great. Cross them off. Remember, five of them are duplicate rules.
What was that other program name?
Hashcat. And since 5 of them are duplicate rules, that means you only will lose 10 points. You can actually get a 90 without doing any duplicate rules. Good enough?
That's fair. Yeah.
Now, if you start on it the day it's due, it ain't going to happen.
Oh, yeah.
You look at 50, that's pretty quick. If you cannot get the program to run, please contact me. I showed you in the video how to do it. You must download the John. Now, if you download it from openwall.org, it's already got the INI, it's already got everything you need. You're good to go. But it does not have the put rules here. You have to go through and find where that goes. I added that just because so many people had an issue. I don't know where to put. They'll actually put them in the very first line in the file. I'm getting syntax error on line 1. You can't just add them at the beginning. You have to add them in the. Actually, let me show you where they go. Because so many people, it's like. Alright, so if I look at this file right here, and if you were to zoom down to that stuff I added, see, it goes right here after this. Okay? I mean, you could find that and do it. But it's on line 261. When people are just sticking stuff everywhere and causing... If you just stick random letters in this thing, it's going to screw it up. So that's why I edited this and added that so you know exactly where to put them. It solves so many issues. So, it's up to you. Whatever you feel like doing. Again, if you want to use the pre-built rules, just go in here and take out this one and this one. Obviously, you don't take out this one. You understand that?
Yes, because you want it to stay a comment.
Right, you want to comment on that one. If you take out that one, you're going to get all these errors. So you're going to do this, and you're going to do this. Whoops, not that one. You're going to do this. But go all the way down till right there. So you're going to do this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. And you know, to tell you the truth, they might break all of them. I don't know. I haven't tried. So give that a try. You uncomment all those pre-built-in stuff, it might do it. Okay, and if you go on Craigslist to try to buy the answers, what's your name? Herbert Ogmeyer or something? Who sold it on Craigslist?
Oh, name's Oscar Higley.
Oscar Higley. Might not be who you think it is. So.
Buy them on Craigslist. I mean,
I know, we never got paid for it, that's all.
Still never got my money for that.
Because when we, basically when we, all right, I think that's enough for this recording.